In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide files inside Google Drive using a simple technique that keeps your content out of plain sight. This method is perfect when you want a little extra privacy or when you just want to disguise a file without deleting or moving it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to hide a file and how to view or unhide it anytime you need. Let's start by opening Google Drive. Once you're on the home page, look through your files and choose the one you want to hide. Take a moment to find the exact file because this process works best when you know exactly which item you're updating. After locating the file, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several different options. From this list, select File Information. This opens more details about the file and gives you access to the tools we need. Inside this section, you'll see an option called Manage Versions. Go ahead and click on it. Normally, Manage Versions is used to track file updates or replace an old version with a new one. But today, we're going to use it for a clever little trick inside the Manage Versions window. Look for the button that lets you upload a new version. Instead of uploading another document, you're going to choose a harmless photo from your computer. This photo will act as a disguise. Select Upload New Version, then browse your device for an image you're comfortable having visible. Once you've selected it, confirm the upload. What you've done is replace the visible content with a photo, making the real file appear completely harmless. Anyone who tries to open the file will only see the photo you uploaded. The original file is not deleted or overwritten. It remains safely stored underneath this new visible layer. This makes it a convenient way to hide your file in plain sight using Google Drive's version control system. When you decide to unhide the file or view the real content again, it's just as simple. Right-click the same item, select File Information, and open Manage Versions. Once more, you'll see the list of versions stored for that file. From there, you can download the original version anytime you want. This instantly restores access to the real content without affecting the disguised version others might see. This technique is a fun and practical way to keep sensitive or private items tucked away while still keeping them stored safely inside your drive. It works well for documents, notes, and anything you prefer not to display openly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoy learning simple digital tricks like this, make sure to check out my other guides for more tips that make online tools easier to use. Thanks for watching and happy hiding.